A Mouthful of Answers presents Treating a Cavity. Cavities aren't just a painful inconvenience that you can hope will just go away. They require a specific treatment that repairs the damage and puts an end to the pain. The most common treatment for moderate to severe cavities are fillings, which your dental professional drills into the affected tooth, removes the decayed material, and inserts a filling. For more extreme cases of tooth decay, your dental professional might put in crowns, where they salvage what's left of the tooth, repair it, and cover it with a crown. When the damage from a cavity is even more serious, your dental professional may suggest a root canal, where they remove the damaged nerve and its surrounding blood vessel tissue, and fill the area with a sealant, and in most cases, put in a crown. Extraction is usually a last option when other treatments can't solve the problem. An extraction will leave an empty area into which your dental professional may insert a partial denture, bridge, or implant. Luckily, there are ways to help avoid cavities, such as sticking to a great oral care regimen, including using fluoride toothpaste and an electric toothbrush. A healthier mouth starts with Oral-B. Oral-B. Brush like a pro.